Hello everybody, welcome to Physio Active. I'm Dr. Mitali and very happy International Yoga Day to you. Since today we are here, I am going to be showing you certain exercises for pregnant females. First off, we are going to start with an easy exercise which is the ankle roll. How are we going to do that? Let's begin. All you have to do is lean back just like I have. Keep your hands by the side and all we do is roll our ankles clockwise at least 20 times and then roll our ankle back in anti-clockwise about 20 times. Throughout this exercise, make sure all you pregnant mamas that you're breathing normally. Okay, so our second exercise is going to be the bridge pose. For all the pregnant females, why we want to do the bridge pose is because it strengthens your buttocks, it strengthens your back and it also gives you strength on your thighs. So इस वजह से you want to keep doing it while you are in your second trimester. You want to start it from your first trimester, you want to do it in your second trimester as well. All you have to do is lay down, place your back flat on the mat, bend your legs and all we do is clench our buttock a little bit, not too much, just a little bit, and lift our torso up. While doing this, we breathe normally, normal inhales and normal exhales. We hold it for 5 inhales and then we are done. We can repeat it for about 10 times. This third exercise that we are going to do is very much important as we are going to be delivering the baby in a few months. So we want our hips to be open. So this next exercise is called the butterfly pose. All we have to do is sit comfortably on a mat. आप अपने बिस्तर पे भी सो सकते हैं. All you want to do is take a pillow and keep it under the buttock and sit on it. You can then just place your feet like this and all we do is sit this way for some time. We can also flutter them a little bit if we like, but fluttering is up to you if you like. The exercise that we are going to do is the warrior pose. इस exercise में आप खड़े रहेंगे. जिन लोगों से बैठ के एक्सरसाइज नहीं हो पा रही है या कंफर्टेबली नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, हम स्टैंडिंग में भी इसको कर सकते हैं. तो हमें कुछ नहीं करना है. यू जस्ट गोइंग टू ओपन द लेग्स अ लिटिल बिट. जो आपका जिस लेग की हमें करनी है एक्सरसाइज उसमें से एक लेग आपका फॉरवर्ड फेसिंग होगा, दूसरा वाला इस तरीके से 45 डिग्री के एंगल पे होगा. नेक्स्ट व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज टेक आवर हैंड्स ऑन द साइड एंड वी जस्ट बेंड अ लिटिल बिट. While this exercise, we just do normal inhalation and exhalations. We do not stop breathing in between. You hold it for 10 counts and then you can come back. You can repeat it for 10 times. The fifth exercise that we want to do will help you to bend down and ease this lower back जो बहुत ज़्यादा weight की वजह से आगे को जा रही है. So all we want to do is stand on the mat and we keep our hands on our thighs. We slowly take our hands down till our knees. हम इस एक्सरसाइज को करते हुए अपनी स्पाइन को एकदम सीधा रखेंगे. So all we do is this. We hold this position for 10 counts and we repeat at least 10 times. While this exercise is being done, you want to breathe normally. For all our pregnant mothers is something that we can do on a Swiss ball like this, या फिर आप थोड़े ज़्यादा पिलो रख के भी इसको कर सकते हैं. इस पोजीशन में ये पोजीशन क्यों अच्छी होती है? ये पोजीशन आपके बेबी के हेड को डाउनवर्ड्स लाने के लिए हेल्पफुल होती है और उसकी पोजीशन अच्छी रहती है. वी गो ऑन आवर नीज एंड वी वांट टू नाउ रेस्ट ऑन दिस लाइक दैट. इस पोजीशन में इस तरीके